Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. I have something to show you. Hold on. Alright, so I have to try and make sure I don't die. Oh my gosh, I almost died already. Because I am trying to balance myself on this ladder. But look, I found a nest. And there's a baby inside. I can't actually see how many babies there are. I only see one right now, and I can't see my camera very well. Let me see if I can squeeze this in a little bit. But we got babies. I've been hearing little baby chirps and I've been wondering where the nest was, and then I saw the mama and the daddy flying around, so I came to investigate and I found them. I'm trying really hard not to touch. I'm trying to be good, but babies. All right, anyways, just wanted to share. I see them again. Oh, okay, let me see if I can get another clip for you guys. Little baby, wake up. I know, I'm the worst person. Come on, baby, wake up. Do something cool. Show the audience. Show the world. Oh, he did it. Look, he's listening. Is there only one in there? I can't. Oh no, I see two. I see two babies. Two little babies in there. Are there more? I won't be able to tell until I review this video. But, alright, I better get down off this ladder before I kill myself. Thanks for joining me. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.